Down the track again. But that's a fantastic catch taken by Shailesh in the deep. First wicket down. Royal Rajwade are 8 for 1. Brings Neeraj on strike. Neeraj to Neeraj. Oh, bowls well here. That's a dot ball. Guides it away nicely for one declared. Neeraj will keep strike for the last ball. At the end of 1 over, Royal Rajwade are 9 for 1. Ronak will bowl the second over. Oh, cleaned him up. First wicket for Ronak. Rajwade 2 down now. Brings Deepak now on strike. In the air, yeah, but in the gap. Gets off the mark. Now Neeraj on strike. Whacks it powerfully, but it's going to be just a single. Gets a full toss. Oh, but slight misfield there makes that single a very comfortable one. 3 singles of this over so far. He edges it for yet another single. Last ball of the second over. This has been a fantastic over so far. Oh, that's another wicket. Both the first ball and the last ball of the innings produce a wicket. So Royal Rajwade at the end of 2 overs are 13 for the loss of 3 wickets. Now for the power over, Ritesh will be the one to bowl it to Neeraj. In the air and starts off with a 6. So 6 of the first ball of the power over. Intent being made very clear from Royal Rajwade. Down the track again. 7 runs off 2 balls. 4 more balls left of the power over. What's it going to be from Mandar? Whacks it nicely for a single. 8 runs of the first 3 balls of the power play. Gets a full toss. Dispatches it for yet another 6. 14 runs of the first 4 balls of the power over. Well, 2 more balls left. What is Neeraj going to do now? As expected, he lets it go for a bye. 15 runs have come off this power over with 1 ball left. As expected, Neeraj taps it for a single. 16 of the power over without losing a wicket. Make that 32 runs of the third over. So at the end of 3 overs, Royal Rajwade are 45 for 3. Oh, what a catch that has been. Powerfully hit by Neeraj. Shailesh hangs on to it to pick up his first wicket of this innings. 45 for 4. They're in a good position here, Royal Rajwade. Sankshet now on strike. Taps it for a single, brings Mandar on strike. Oh, that's timed very well, but that's a fantastic catch by Rishikesh in the deep. Moves to his left and takes a fantastic catch to dismiss Mandar. 46 for 5 now, Royal Rajwade after 3.3 overs. After that fantastic power over, they seem to be drifting apart here a little bit. Oh, that's a beamer. Oh, wild throw, but that doesn't cost anything. Make that 2 more to the total. 48 for 5 now, half the over left. A bit of yes, no here. Denies the single. Dot ball. That's a no ball. 50 on the board for Royal Rajwade. 2 more balls left in this over. In the air and a diving catch here by Rishikesh. That's the second fantastic catch he has taken this innings. 50 for 6 Royal Rajwade after 3.5 overs. They need to at least make sure that they are playing out their 5 overs. Oh, edges it. That brings the 4th over to a close. Rajwade are 50 for 6. Last over of the innings now. Sankshet now on strike. Oh, he edges it almost onto the stumps. Dot ball to start. He takes his time, Sankshet. He needs to capitalize this over. Moves down the track, but doesn't get the timing right. It's going to be a single. Deepak Kathe now on strike. Down the track again. An appeal for stumping given. 7th wicket down now for Royal Rajwade. 4 more balls left. Brings Hemant now on strike. It takes a single now. Gets off the mark. Last 2 deliveries of the last over. Sankshet now on strike. This has been an excellent over so far. 5 deliveries, 2 runs and a wicket. 52 for 7 Rajwade. Last ball, what can they do? Whacks it for another catch for Rishikesh. Takes the catch, an Australian style.
इसके पहले एक मैचेस का पहला इनिंग का एक मैच बचेगा वो लोग कोई खेलने से बोल रहा एक मैच लीग का हो जाएगा ना एक मैच पूछ लो ना एक नहीं वैसा नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ ब्रेक अच्छा हो जाएगा पहला है वो ब्रेक अच्छा हो जाता है एक मैच का हो जाएगा
5 मिनट ज़्यादा नहीं तेरा टॉस उठता रहेगा साइड में कट ज़्यादा नहीं कट के इधर आ जाएगा साइड में चल लेंगे टॉस वैसे ही मतलब चार्ट देखिए ना सिर्फ कट के इधर आ जाएगा बाकी चलता रहेगा ठीक है चलेगा तो क्या नाम उसका सो ही सेलिब्रेटिंग 60th बर्थडे और रमेश नाइक रमेश नाइक 60th बर्थडे 60 but along with the family we wish him good luck happiness fitness ये सब ना और साथ में हाँ और उसमें बहुत अच्छा बिल्डिंग है यस और साथ में इसका भी बर्थडे था इसका तनकर का यस्टरडे ऋषिकेश तनकर हाँ तनकर का तो रिलेटेड बर्थडे बट हम लोग केक काट रहे हैं
अपना भी था मेरा दिसंबर 8 मेरा दिसंबर वो भी बोल दे रहा
सबका ज्वाइन वो संजय को
हाँ सबका आप बोले ना वो कट करेगा वो कट करेगा अपन पीछे पीछे लाइन में खड़े रहेंगे अच्छा होगा केक इधर लेके आए किधर और रहता था फिर
उसकी वाइफ
वो इसमें आए हैं सुबह
चलो
ऑर्गेनाइजर मतलब इतना था ना कब केक का रिस्पांसिबिलिटी मैं डाला ही नहीं कुछ
गोविंद भाई
बीच में खाली बोला मैंने
ये गोया
ऑर्डर कर लो पहले सेम डे पे 2 केजी नहीं मिले डायरेक्ट चालू हो गया अरे यूनाइटेड
ओल्ड फ्रेंचाइजी बैक टू
रॉयल
Second innings now about to begin. 53 required of 5 overs. First ball of the second over hits it in the air, gets off the mark with a single, brings Rushikesh on strike. In the air, and it's a sure six from the bat of Rushikesh. Powerfully whacks it. Played on the back foot again. Chance in the deep. Misses it. A single taken. Shuffles down the crease. It's a boundary in the end. Some good batting from both the batters here. Akshay and Rishikesh each getting a boundary to their name. Shuffles down the track again for 6 more. Expensive over this for DWC Rajwade. 18 runs have come, 1 delivery left. Shuffles down the track again, rare dot delivery. That brings the first over to a close. Thunder Strikers are 18 without loss. Rishikesh now back on strike for the second over to be bowled by Hemant. In the air, opportunity in the deep, comfortably taken by Abhijit. That's the first wicket down for the Thunder Strikers. They are 18 for the loss of 1 wicket now. The new batter in now is Ambrish. Straight into the hands of Mandar. First ball duck for Amrish. 2 down now, Thunder Strikers, and Hemant on a hat-trick. The new batter to face the hat-trick delivery is Nikhil. Keeps it to the ground, takes the single, gets off the mark. That brings Akshay on strike. Keeps it down again. That was a good throw from Mandar. A direct hit would have made it very close. Only 2 runs have come off this over so far. No, the non-striker turns down the single. Last ball of the second over now. This has been an excellent over for the Royal Rajwade. And a dot ball to finish it off. 2 overs done. Thunder Strikers at 20 for the loss of 2 wickets. The power over now to be bowled by Mandar. Nikhil on strike. Dot ball to start up proceedings. 0 of the first delivery. Oh, it's bowled him! Look at the celebration there. Dot ball of the second ball, but more importantly, it's a wicket. That rules out the double scoring opportunity for the Thunder Strikers. It's now a normal over. Ronak on strike. Taps it for another dot. Pressure mounting on the Thunder Strikers. It's in the air. They consider a single, but they turn down 4 dot deliveries of the power over. Gets a full toss, times it nicely, cut out in the deep. And that's the first run of this over for the Thunder Strikers. He edges it. Oh, there is a mix-up. Ronak has been shouting no, but Nikhil hasn't been hearing. It seems he wanted to keep the strike, and they're stranded at 21 for 4 from 3 overs. Equation now is 32 needed of 12 deliveries. Ronak now on strike for the 4th over. 32 needed of 12. In the air. Oh, well. Almost a run out. Almost a run out. Brings Ritesh on strike. Equation now 31 needed of much needed 6 from the bat of Ritesh for the Thunder Strikers. They need a few more of these. Who edges it for 1 declared. The equation now 24 from 9. In the air, possibly takes it on the bounce. The fielder, Neeraj has done really well to cover for Sankshet. Otherwise, that would have been a boundary. Keeps it down to a single, brings Ronak on strike. 23 needed of 8. Lets it go for a wide. That's a no ball. And to make it worse, it's also a boundary. 17 needed of 8 now. That's a good strike from the bat of Ronak. Gets a full toss. But straight into the hands of Neeraj. Ronak departs. Thunder Strikers are now 5 down for 36. 17 needed of 7. Gets a full toss, but it's a dot ball. So that's 17 required of the last 6 deliveries for the Thunder Strikers to win it. It's going to be Sankshet who's going to bowl the last over. for the Royal Rajwades. He denies the single. Ritesh believes it's he who's the one to do the job for the Thunder Strikers. It's a matter of 3 strikes now, only 5 deliveries left. In the air, and that's first of the 3. 11 required of 4. He lets it go for a wide. 10 of 4 now. In the air, and that is 6 more. 4 required of 3 now. Well, 1 more strike needed. In the air again, and that's a boundary. Ritesh finishes it off in style for the Thunder Strikers, and they win this match with the player of the match for this match is Shailesh Sanab. Gives me a lot of pleasure wishing Ramesh Nayak his 60th birthday.